Here in Arizona, we're really into telescopes. That's why I bought this Celestron night vision headlamp. So this uses red LEDs so that you don't lose your night vision, but you still can use your telescope or your accessories. So as we pull it out of the box here, it's pretty nice. We got the instructions. Oh, that's nice. A lot of times you have to put them together. This one's all ready to go. This one will have a port on the side here that we can open up. And that's where 2 AAA batteries will go. Those are not included, so I'll use these Amazon Basics. And that'll clip on. And then there we have our red light with 2 different modes, low and high. Real easy to use with 1 button. Very lightweight, just 2 AAA batteries in the housing. You have a nice wide strap, so you can use this over your head, or if you have a hat on, no problem. Looks like it tightens real easily. That's handy. And then there's an adjustment here, like a lot of headlamps. So if you're doing a task, you can angle it straight down without hurting your neck. And if you're walking, you can angle it higher. Very nice. Glad I bought this one. Hope this helps.